Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can access Windows optional feature that not showing on your apps option. So in previous edition of Windows 10, if you click or access the settings, you can find the optional feature on these apps. So in Windows 11, here you cannot find the optional feature anymore on apps. But you can access system, scroll down and try to find it at the bottom. This is the optional features, extra functionality for your device. Click it and here we go. This is the history of your optional features. Add an optional feature like by click few features. For example, you want to install Arabic script fonts, Bangla script fonts, Canadian, Chinese, and so on. And also there are some features like accessibility for Braille support, extended theme content, notepad as by system, a steps recorder, print management, and so on. And here, if you want to access more related settings, you can click on more Windows features. Here, of course, if you use facial recognition, you must install this facial recognition by Windows Hello. Just click this. So feel free to try to install optional features on your Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.